Is FreeCryptoRewards.com really an easy way to get free Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Shiba Inu, and many other cryptocurrencies, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I have tested a lot of different free ways to earn money and cryptos online, and one platform many have asked me about is this platform, and therefore in this FreeCryptoRewards.com review, I will give you an inside look, show my opinion and experiences about it, so you can decide for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join. But before doing that, I just want to remind you that if you do like my content, then I now have a Patreon community. I will leave a link below where you can join and get access to exclusive content that is only published there, and also personal help from me there. But anyways, back to this topic, which is free crypto rewards, and you can just go to the website and you can sign up from more or less all countries. However, there might be some countries it's not available in. They do not say anything about that exactly on the website, but in my experience in general with platforms like this is that you can join from more or less all countries, but there likely will be a few countries that you cannot join from. So you would just have to go to the platform and test for yourself if you decide this is the right option for you. But before deciding, let me log in and show you how you can earn, and also then how much you potentially can earn. So once you log in, you can see that it's fairly easy to get an overview. It has some surveys you can take through different survey providers. It's the same as many other platforms offer, and they have some offer walls. They do not have as many offer walls as some of the top get paid to sites, and then also they have some special offers. And in the menu you can see they also have a watch session or section where you can watch videos and earn. And in general, earning by watching videos, you can do this through other platforms as well, but it's not something that will give huge earnings. It's definitely the option inside Free Crypto Rewards that will give you the least. As you can see for the service, for example, they say here you can earn up to 10 per survey and things like this, right? But just be aware that this is just like not really happening very often. You might once in a while be invited to a survey like that, but it's not often you will do that through these surveys. I know that I'm taking like thousands of online surveys through these different providers, so it's very rare, and exactly how many surveys you will get access to will depend a lot on the country you live in. In some countries there just will not be a lot of surveys, so then you would need to, for example, find some of the paid offers. Again, how high paying offers there are, that really depends on the country you live in. Overall, I would say that the rewards on Free Crypto Rewards, they are fairly decent for the time compared to other get paid to sites, but they're not spectacular. And there are some things that makes it a platform that I'm not totally crazy about. I will explain that a little bit later. This is just an overview of how you can earn, and let me just reveal right away that you can potentially earn. But let's talk a little bit more about that. How can you then get paid when you have earned? Because that is very important to know before you join any platform. So before you join, when you look on the website, you see that they say, also the name itself kind of implies that this is all about earning free crypto. And when you scroll down, you can see that you can earn just not Bitcoin, which quite a lot of different sites offer, and also Ethereum, a lot of sites also offer that. But you can also earn coins like Elrond or Polkadot or Algorand or Crowcoin, or all these different ones like AXS for Axie Infinity. There's so many more. You see like over 50 crypto rewards, and this was actually the reason that I wanted to join this and test it for myself, because I already use quite a few sites that allow you to, for example, earn free Bitcoin or free Ethereum. I will also leave links below so you can see my top recommended options for that. But when I came across this, I thought it was really great that it offers all these different cryptos. So there's a bigger variety from some really great coins also. And then when I actually was inside and went to the payout section, I honestly got quite disappointed. Because as you can see, these are the options that I have in the payout section. I have Ethereum, which is definitely great, and Bitcoin. I love that you can get paid through those, but that's it. And I know other platforms that I find a lot better that offer these options, and I joined because I wanted to get access to like L1 and DOT and AXS and all these different other coins, and then it's just not there. I can of course not say that they are not available in some countries, but it doesn't really make sense because I live in a country where you definitely can get paid in crypto and where you can use crypto. So it's not because of crypto restrictions, because if they offer Ethereum and Bitcoin, then they should be able to offer all the other cryptos as well. Maybe it's just once in a while they do that, but in my opinion, the whole name of the website and what they write on the front page lets you to believe that you can earn a lot of different cryptos, and in reality they are not always available. I don't know if they ever are. I have not experienced it yet. If you have, and if you've been paid via other coins or tokens, please share in a comment below. It would be great to hear. Personally, I hope they will start introducing some of the other options also. Other than that, you can see they offer some good rewards like PayPal Cash, Steam gift cards, Visa prepaid card. All these are actually the exact same payout options, more or less, as a site like GrabPoints offers. So you can see our network, they have both Zoombox and this GC Loot and GrabPoints, because it is the same company behind and this exact same earning methods, more or less. And the reason I thought that this would be interesting to also test is that it seemed like it offers a lot of different crypto rewards, which is not really the case. But that means like, okay, I know GrabPoints, I've been paid by many times, it is legit. It's not one of my favorite sites for sure, but I know it's the same company behind, so I know that it does pay, but it offers more or less the exact same earning methods. So therefore, it doesn't make sense to join several of these platforms. And now when it comes to the rewards, it seems like they do not really offer anything special. Also, another thing you need to be aware of, even though the payout threshold is fairly low for certain of the payout options, for example, $3 for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I like that it's this low for crypto. And for PayPal, it's also $3. That's definitely great. But when it comes to crypto, if you just click, you need to be aware that you will receive it in your Coinbase account. So they do not pay out into any wallet, they only pay out into Coinbase. So you would need a Coinbase account to be able to withdraw from here. That's another thing that makes it less flexible. I have a Coinbase account myself, so it's not a problem or anything like that. I just like platforms that are more flexible, where I can pay it out into any wallet I want. That's just my personal preferences. Also be aware that you need to specify this Coinbase email in your profile. So you need to go to your profile in the left menu, click it, and there is a section where you can say my Coinbase email address. So you need to remember that before you try to cash out. So to sum it all up, FreeCryptoRewards.com is a platform where you potentially can earn free crypto and other rewards. However, the name doesn't really tell exactly what it is, or what they have on the website is not completely transparent. As you saw, the reason that I wanted to join is that they claim on the website that you can get paid through a lot of different cryptos, but once you're inside, that is not really the case for me anyways, and it seems like they do not really offer that many, at least not at the time of recording this video, which was quite disappointing for me. I do like that it has a low payout threshold, and I also do like that they do pay out via Ethereum and Bitcoin, but I just know a lot of other platforms that also do that are way better in my personal opinion. So for those reasons, it's not really a platform that I will be using myself much, but if you want to give it a go, I'll leave a link below where you can learn more about it and see how to join and all that. So then you can, and also feel free to share your experiences in a comment below. But personally, I just think there are other platforms that are better to earn free crypto, and I will also leave links to those below so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.